Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you Python numbers and arithmetic operators, how to play with arithmetic operations using Python language. There are two main numbers types we will work with this in this session, as you have to clearly observe it. Integers, which are whole numbers, as we know that the number which is the same number we are going to considering in the programming languages, we can call it as integers. And floating point numbers, which are numbers with a decimal point is there. These are the numbers only. Whereas we are involving with the decimal point, we can call it as floating points. And let's explore the basics with the Python, the how we need to involve in the numbers and arithmetic operators. And we'll also discuss about to creating variables and assigning some of the values to how to assign the values to the variable. We will see here and the explanation about arithmetic operators with the numbers we will see now. Now see here, I'm simple, very much simple. The number and 2, that is a plus is an arithmetic operator, and 2 plus 1. I'm seeing here and I'm executing. But I didn't written anything here. And now see here, 2 plus 1 I have written. And now I need, there is an compiler, it's executed with the 0 code. See, if I execute it, process finished with the execute code. Whereas where I have written here to load my output. For the purpose here I am assigning these values result set to the x variable, which one you are declaring on left side, x or name or like num. These are the types, we can call it as an variables, and we are going to assigning a value with a single equal to. The right side part will be always assigning value to the assignment of the value to the left side operand. Alright, see now I am assigning this 2 plus 1 with the 2 numeric digit and 1 is a numeric digit with arithmetic operator, and this result set, what is the result set if it is a 2 plus 1, as I know that it is a 3 only simply, and it may be in real-time programming, it may be dynamic values with the plus symbol, that arithmetic operator, and it will be calculated automatically and all. And now that value, the results that I am map assigning to the x, and now here I'll print what is the x value. Have taken print of x. Now execute with this play button. Have you seen here? I'll expand this. Now see the value, the result is 3. All right, that is a very much simple. There is no more syntaxes at all. How you will write notebook using mathematics. Likewise, only you have to write in Python language. That is a very much simple. Now we will see the option of addition. We have to see and subtract. Like simple. That's it. See the value is now is 1. Have you seen here the output? If you are executing now, one more 2 and power of like what is the value? As you know that no surface CVLU is 2 by 2. That is a 2 by 2 of 2. It's enough 4. See, that is very much pretty easy. You need to worry about it all the things. And 2 by 2 is also enough for 2 square as well as 2 into 2. It's 2 square. What are the same? And we will see one more, the by 3 by 2. We will see 3 by 2 operation. We will see now here and execute with the 1.5. Have you seen here? That is, Python is very popular, and it's going to be a trending language nowadays. Means there is no curly braces and ending terminators, line terminators. And if we see the modulo of now one by thing is 7 by 4 the modulo here. Yeah. The result set is it's saying that 1.75. All right, and 7 percentile for we will see here what is the reminder value. It will be displays here. So 1 and 3 is a reminder value as we know about the 7 percentile 3, like a 7 percentile 4. See the result set it says 3, it's coming here. Simply the arithmetic operator you mention over here and you will check the result. And for an example, we will see 50 and with the 5 we will check it. There is in a row no reminder. It's absolutely 0 it will consider. Basic understand about the language of mathematics and all. You can write an easy way to write the programs. All right, and we will see power. What is the power of 2? We will see 2 power of 3. Right? What would be, as you know, as a heavy, anyone can guess it, the 8. 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. That's it. That is the basic principles of mathematics as you can easily get it as an output. See, there's an 8. And now there is a how mathematics, if it is a multiple, like I have in a statement like 2 plus 10 and multiplication with 10 plus 3. What would be the results? Can anyone? Just a second. Yeah. Right. See, what is the answer it would be? Can anyone can guess it? It's on a 105. How it would be? 105. How it would be? It will take first multiplication part. As you know the rules of mathematics, the BODMAS rules it will be follows within the brackets of the parenthesis parts will be executed, and next it will be multiplication, and it will be either subtract or addition, whichever it may be the way it will be executes from the left to right. All right, the Python compiler is also will follow same rules, and it will be give you a proper output. Now, if I move to this is the 105 is a result set, and you see as discussed. If I added these parentheses, now see, if I added within the parentheses of a 2 plus 10 and 3 plus 3, and within the braces it will be executes first. Now it will be multiplied. The result set is 156. All right, and now we will see one more example, that is the following of rules. So it is an exponential. First it will take, it will be exponential, like the number we can call it as in interpreter, it is an 3. All right, and now it will be follow the rule of multiplication, and next it will be either addition or subtract. That will be follows. This is the mathematical basic rules and principles it will be. All right, and see here one more example exercise for you. I am giving you for an instance of the simple thing I would like to give you. Like the statement is 10 plus 3 to the division, like the multiplication, and the power of what would be the result set of this number. Can you assume it and think about it for a while of a second? How it would be executed in our statement. Simply, I am making this statement to copy and pasting here. See here. You have to try yourself as well. And I'm checking, verifying the output. The output is 22. As I have seen that its an output is 22. See here, right? How it is. Now, as we discussed the rules of, it will be executed by first term. It is a 2 power 2. That is a 2 power 2. What is how much it will be? I hope it is in 4. And the next, it will be on multiplication. Like 3 into, what is the digit here? It is in a 3. Now it is in a 2 into 2 is over the square root of 2 power, and it is in a 4 of the value. Now it is the multiplication will be calculated with the 3 into 4. Now see here 3 of 4. What is the 3 into 4? That the value is 1. And what is the value of 10 plus 1 2? It will be calculated. That's equal to 22. As we get the answer is 22. Have you seen? That is the way the arithmetic operations will be followed in Python language. Even any language you may assume and you can take it, it will be follow the same rules and structures. But this is about the Python numbers, very basics with the arithmetic operations, and assigning the numbers of values, as we have seen that it's x equal to the name or the number. This is the values assigned the variable. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you. We will see on the next session over there as a Python variables and clearly assigning the values to the. Thank you.